In a bag, there are 4 red balls and 6 blue balls. If 2 balls are drawn randomly without replacement, what is the probability that both balls are red? Let's denote the events. R1 is drawing the first ball as red and R2 is drawing the second ball as red. We want to find probability of R1 intersection R2, the probability of both events happening. Initially, there are 10 balls in the bag, 4 red plus 6 blue. So, the probability of drawing a red ball on the first draw is probability of R1 is equal to number of red balls divided by total number of balls, which is equal to 4 by 10, which is equal to 2 by 5. After drawing 1 red ball, there are now 9 balls left in the bag, 3 red plus 6 blue. So, the probability of drawing a red ball on the second draw is probability of R2 given event R1 has already occurred is number of remaining red balls divided by total number of remaining balls, which is equal to 3 divided by 9, which is equal to 1 by 3. Now, the probability of both events happening is the product of the individual probabilities, which implies 2 by 5 times 1 by 3, which is equal to 2 by 15. Therefore, the probability that both balls drawn are red is 2 by 15. Thank you for watching.